Hi, myself Laman, and this is my presentation for industry project. My topic is Framework for Finding Effectiveness of Healthcare Programs Using Knowledge Graph, and my organization is Surround Australia. So the government launches healthcare programs to have a positive effect on public health, but they don't know whether the program actually helped the public health positively, negatively, or it had no effect. To capture the effectiveness, they can use machine learning algorithms by leveraging huge datasets which they have. But the problem here is the machine learning algorithm does not provide any explanation of the value that they have achieved, and they do not capture any interdependencies between the datasets. And also these huge datasets are very complex, they are very high text based, and there is a problem of data integrity. So the solution is using knowledge graphs. Knowledge graphs can capture semantic knowledge, they are flexible in nature, they are able to capture relationships among entities, they are faster for queries, and they do provide explanations of for a particular value, and they are able to connect with other knowledge graphs. So this is an example of knowledge graph of hospital which is built by Surround Australia, which I'll be using for my project. Here you can see that this is a particular the data value of a measure which is part of a data set, and this data value belongs to a particular disease like chronic disease or AIDS or cancer, and this basically captures which hospital or region or state this value is captured from. So this is my solution design. It's a four-step process in which the first is the data layer, then the second is data cleaning layer, and then ontology construction layer and knowledge construction layer. In the data layer, the data is captured from Surround database which provides hospital data, and the government database is used to capture the program database. By cleaning the data layer, I was able to find 4 programs which I will use to validate the framework. All these programs are related to chronic diseases. These were chosen because there were data consistency, and the value for these was also available in the hospital datasets. This can be also observed in the hospital datasets that this is the value of of chronic disease. That here we can see that there is a pulmonary chronic disease, and we can find the per day patient for this disease in this particular hospital and for a particular year. So this is the ontology which I constructed for programs. Here the ontology is trying to capture what is the funding of this program, who provided the funding, and this funding agency belongs to which. That it can be an NGO can be providing it, the government can be providing it, and which particular department of the government is providing it. Also the location of this and the website of the government agency. And also this funding value will also capture the which target disease it is going to affect, and what is the category of this disease. And also it will be part of the data set of funding, and it will be which it might be provided to a state, it might be provided to hospital. So this reporting unit captures that value. So the two ontologies, one of ontology created for the programs and one ontology of existing of hospitals, these two can be linked. The reporting unit in programs and the reporting unit in the hospitals are same, and this information and this two graphs can be linked. Also the disease to be treated and the reporting measure are also same, and these two can also be connected. So by connecting these two ontologies, when I ran my the data set which we found of chronic disease, we found that after 2016 and 2017, when those programs were launched, there was an impact on the per day patient of chronic. So here we can see that there is an increase in the value because of the program. Then as government was spending more money, people were actually coming to the hospital for getting treatments. But with time, this also reduced. So which is a good thing that there is a positive effect of the program. Thank you. I hope you like the presentation.